seasonal warm weather, midwinter thaws are joined by torrential rains to bring tribulation to America from the Appalachians to the Rockies. Hardest hit was the Northeast, where Ohio and Pennsylvania suffered disastrous floods. In many sections, the rising waters reached the highest points ever. A ruinous flood crest carried desolation down the Ohio Valley. But other areas, such as upstate New York, had their share of the woes brought by the four-day weather rampage. The water's force is grimly measured by this collapsed bridge in Buffalo. One of the most tragic single incidents came at Pittston, Pennsylvania, where the Susquehanna River broke through into an anthracite mine. 12 miners were trapped underground. After days of heroic effort, the breach was closed, but the men, at last report, were still trapped. The sad vigil continues at the mine head, but hope is almost lost. The final toll, at least 118 dead, 25,000 homeless, an estimated $100,000 in property damage. Perhaps worst of all, as the waters receded, came new reports of snowstorms on the way, raising the threat that the Northeast ordeal by weather, the worst in years, was not yet ended.